Jariria riu ni ta kiria
ta Michael
ta Michael riu bro yaku munini ni ati ungijira ndita muyuthi experience iria urogotete. Yes.
Thank you. Kuringana muyuthi we hauja kaundu karia igiuga wa mbere hari maundu maria turahetukira o muthenya na kuri maundu maigi kuri muyuthi maybe uthomete na agatwika very frustrated na maybe ukone niwekire kothi ugetha wira ukaga undu ria igiuga no we kaundu gatagati ga githomo kiu gia kuri woyo kaundu kamwe tu na wethe kihonia tondu thaici hara tukinyite bururi uyu ri kihonia nikio kira ungiona uboco waku wa muthenya no age wira ucio wa wabici na no ukorwo nginya space ira twina thaici ya digital space gwa thaici ni kinyite handu igakorwo riu niyo iratindika maundu maingi nginya ma economy mama carbon okorwo ni ta kaundu turenda gucommunicate andu angi turatumira through social media koguo na muyuthi maita maingi tuge tondu maita maingi tukoragwo social media ri no wike nginya content maybe ingihota nginya kwenlighten ayuthi angi woe tu kaundu kamwe tu ndukoretwo undu tuingi o kamwe tu wethere uheane tukihonia na kaundu kau afterwards no geke through consistency tondu muno ri ungirumirira muno ri tondu tugaga maita maingi wahota mwenjika gwacika gatunguri ni kwenjera koguo ndugeke kaundu kau umuthi ningi ukue ngoro rucio uge ndugwika atia tondu wahota gwika tundu 10 tuothe to fail no wetu njira emwe urane nayo afterwards nginya no coke maybe no hota gukorwo nginya sportetwo ni mundu ngi kaundu karia wikaga na ke kaundu kauri ahota gukorwo ni kwa miss thini wa space yake akuoe either no akuhe wira no maita maingi thaici gutiraheanwo wira maita maingi kuraheanwo contract koguo no mwandikanire nginya na mundu ungi ni nyonete nginya andu matwikite virtual PAs cia andu matari mona yani urutithanagia wira na mundu wi murimo no ri guku Kenya koguo ni undu ria maita maingi nyonete thaici ri ithuothe tondu twina thimu cia moko ri thimu bado no ikorwo ri ya tool yaku ya wira gwa thaici ri tuge kwina mawira maingi muno maroka na ereno ikuo tondu ereno twinayo ri ti ya guthoma by the way ni ya guthikiriria na kuona koguo no convert audio itwike visual ya kaundu kaundu karia ungenda kupass information maybe ikorwo ri very useful igakorwo nginya ni andu aria akurakuru nginya ta ciari ri ona o mari thiini wa ereno ya digital ukoraga ciari ingi maybe mari thiini wa TikTok I think ni ekurite muno then ni rurenda ruria rurakura na ritiria nene thaici ukoragwo muciari wothe ni arakuria kaundu kau ni ndionire na TikTok koguo no to take advantage as the digital space grows tukure nayo na tukorwo maybe anja iria turaheana ri ni cia tumau ni cia ni their solution oriented na tutikoe maybe solution complex ati uge ati ni ugwaka building teno no kureme na where solution ungihota ati ungiurio ri ni ukuhota kumitariria from point A up to Z undu cio ngiri unginyiteo ungikorwo wina maybe no wanyitwo ni kiundu nduri na anja yakio ri mundu ndaugaga ndoi you request for more time ugathi ugeka research kana maybe ukaririte na mundu ungiheana kihonia kiundu ucio we no urihie wira nginya wira utoyo uri urutagwo no thie wethe mundu ungiruta wira ucio okay koguo at the end of the day we watwika ta mundu ta consultancy tondu thaici andu ingi mareka freelancing ukoraga engineer wa muria wabici yaku ikoragwo kuri akwira amucamanie site koguo site gutire kindu site tigathitwe ikoragwo kuwe gutire kindu kingi ikoragwo ku wacamania na mundu ungi uri sector-ini igiri agakwira maybe office yake ihana no maita maingi physical office nowadays they are ni cieheretio thingo ni the virtual space tondu thaici ungirora as per the statistics I think I was checking like WhatsApp it's reading like I think the last I checked ya thomaga andu ara mari WhatsApp diamenyeka ya thomaga around 294 million acio ni andu ara mari online space koguo ungihota katu even you cut an inch we ono concentrate ukinyire andu igana ri umwe wao ri no atuike interested na kaundu kare ureka na maybe afterwards mu discuss ituike biashara ikuhe ofosho au muthenya kau toka undu ati karabatara ati uthie kirathi maybe ugure urihe ofici handu asa ni kaundu ngikira nginya wi nyumba njuge undu uria tha ici nyonete muno ri hena kindu gitagwo services they are mopping compared na kindu gitagwo products moving tondu service gutire handu utangi miofera kana ni maybe no it can be either through a phone call, through doing a content utumire mundu either kana maybe you even book an appointment with someone, you go and explain to him or her kiria kwendaga afterwards windo cio ngi wa mwisho gwiciria ni packaging uria twibangaga twithii gwika kaundu gothe tondu kuria andu aingi madumishaga mbeu njithi muno monaga yani waigua tu mundu ni mundu mwithiri ndungiona yani tari na value but how we view things we also even as the young generation no ginyona ithu tucenjie mindset itu wakorwo maybe urenda guthie kuface maybe another person no ginya ukorwo na kahinda maybe ga kumuthikiriria umenye language ire understandaga environment ire understandaga o contact communication maybe kuri andu amwe makwiraga mode of communication yakwa no uhurire thimu you have to cope with that koguo mundu ucio ndungimwira thie arore TikTok you have to cope with the environment ire wakora undu ucio ngi ni discouragement ni ugukora a lot of no's mbere ya wonete yes niyo ndore ngiuga before murango higukite ri keep knocking onoko ni customer muririkanagie kaingima otora kirikana kiuga tumuririkanagie kaingima one of these fine days customer ucio no akorwo solution ira amuheaga ni higo amefatara maki no agakorwo ginya namba yaku ndatuirie no rore muhurira thimu muririkanie kaundu kana mwa discuss it like a month or even like 2 weeks ago niare korwo ginya or even a referral no akorwo mundu ucio wahete report ri tiwe wina fata naki na kiria ura offer no akorwo with a friend or even a relative urenda service yo rucio nake ni atuika link ya gukuhingurira mirango ndu cio ngi maybe wa mwisho lastly ungikana heo any opportunity take care of that space tondu no ufatare mugogo ucio no ufatare kamugogo kau watenderirie ugicoka so in a given time wahe okorwo ni tawira ri maybe tuge for example I was ever been hena mundu stage wadu meire besha higwe mwe nendaga turute wira mbeca icio ni twathire tukirutithia wira na tukiona faida ira twathondekire tugicoka ningi twarikia wira ni athire nake agituma mundu ungi tondu twamutagira wira atari guku Kenya no ni atwitikagia tondu ni athiaga twira muhure mbica uria mugwikaga mundu mire agathi agicoka agituma mundu ungi physically agithia kiacertain wira ucio no arutirwo koguo ria twarihirie mbeca tutiarihirie yera twarihirie ira arutitwo na mbeca iria tuhete by the way twagurire material na igitigara koguo riu yari faida yakire faida itu nini no twaicokie tukirihia wira koguo up to date mundu ucio ruti twacemania no ni tukoragwo to in touch very good communication na agiona kaundu gwiciria maybe agiona kaundu maita maingi ni arichaga out na consultants ni arihaga so ni mundu koretwo agikuria kaundu na kwire kaundu kau na kwira maybe kaundu kau no ende gwikirwo kahingio ri ni arihaga na ni akoragwo valuate yani ni arihaga kaundu kau aje ukumwira aikone kuruta wira ni amirihaga wega
nice interesting haya riule tulio haha yuthini ri haya wina experience ya miaka yo tulite ndenda uhane ta urandika a letter to your 20 year old self ni lesson iriko ungiwish wamenyete we 20 cingiguteithia in decisions ginya hau ukinyete
up to as we are where we are now okay we go okay for me juiciria in my 20s ko thia ndathiete gwika university konecio kone ndoi kuthia ndigakorwo iri na wira guku bururi-ini ri ni ngiciritie njoe kothi ya moko hands on skill tondu tha ici ungirora maira maingi maria maroka muno ri maregemea kothi yani cia undu uria ungihota kwirutira na moko maku so basically riu haria tukinyite ti maira mathuti na tai basically riu haria the karne iria twinayo ri tondu ni ndeyuragia atiriri gutire mundu ungi survive kioro giake kibrokete koguo in one way or the other no nginya urietha no nginya you have to make way out kioro kiu githondekwo tondu ndungi survive nyumba yo kioro kiu kihingite so what am I saying mundu ucio no nginya ethane na fundi wa mai whether you like it or not okay akwamure koguo mbeca iria ukurihia nicio kumurutira tondu we ndungi kwamurira kioro kiu undu ucio ngi maybe it's the circle of people maybe we were relating with by then ni dekorire ina cocoon of yani okay yani ugakorwo it's like you are in comfort zone koguo andu aria maybe kaundu karia wamenyerire gwikaga no kuhikaga nducenjagia kuria maybe uceraga no kuothiaga arafu kiria wona gukorwo wona tufeca turia tuonaga tunini wendu yani ndurakorwo ati wina ajio ya gwituma makiria so by then some of these mistakes that we alafu undu ngini uria ungeji brand we miake because some of us sahi brand zetu ukitaja tu jina mahali ni jina imefanyiwa kazi so I even work hard today to protect my name peke yake juu hiyo jina peke yake mimi najua hiyo jina ikitokea mahali ikiwa mbaya mimi mwenyewe whether it's the face of the company ama ni mimi as an individual ama kama ni familia yetu tumeisha so I always take care of that brand kama ni okorone wira twaheo ningeragia okoro gerethera customer ucio wiro this is the scope of work na tukawanjiari na kungihingika ni njoyaga responsibility ya kuoya thimu ngamuhurira thimu angikorwo maybe some of our customer amwe tutagira wira ni ukuraga ni elite yani ni mundu ta no ungihura thimu ri ti hingo ciothe angioya ndondo ungikorwo ngiona mundu ndanahura thimu ri maita maingi tugaga ungiona miss call ithatu ni ciathie ri ndiga kuhura kana you can do ungiona mbere ndinathie it's better you do a text SMS tondu no utume message WhatsApp akorwo auma handu hauma wifi we ukona ni aingira no ndina reply of which maybe this person is busy na nikaudo kwenda ku find out me I prefer maybe if ungiona thimu ndina reply you can do a text message no tondu gatumire at least and you also package your wordings tondu kuri mundu ungitumira message age kumi understand one ta watuika either vulgar kana ndo wana understand gitumi kia mukoro muri in touch nake I interpret differently so maita maingi I always prefer okoro ni kuandika you just write a straightforward thing clear short and precise niguo nake na nduka actually and most of the maita maingi tiga gutukania githweri githungu riu no amenya maita maingi kuria andu mathomaga kuria arataukirwo na maybe kakora ni mundu mukurakuru uria ngitaukirwo kiugo kiwandika uguo ri tiguo kwendaga kuga koguo gikorwo maita maingi mundu ni yani wamenya ni mundu age bracket yani ni mundu uria uradiru nake ri menya uria ukumwandikira undu uria ekunyita message report ukumuheaga amithome na amenyite wega na acoke okonia gukwa feedback ri well and good igikiaga ri you can either make understand ni kindu hena kindu kigigitagwo timelines hari andu manyitikaga thaa mugwanja ria mari lunch hour hari mundu ungiona weekend koguo between Monday and Friday that person is unreachable koguo no mundu tocio maybe ugenda kumuona ni no muonire on weekends kuri mundu ungiumenyaga auma wira thaa 10 ri ungimuhurira thimu nowe it's also good to understand timeline cia maybe mundu ria muradiru nake okorwo maybe muno ikone biashara
now tutanathi hau hangire hale maundu mecokera through kiria icio igire hale branding na packaging and then hale communication
yes
no gerie kunyadaurira hanini horo wa branding tondu hena vijana ingi muno manjetie biashara ciao makageria ku employ no makahitiria handu ha communication akaheteria client tondu ndarahota kumwariria on time na the choice of words iria arahuthira ri cigakorwo bado itiraiga client ari pleasant. Alafu branding nayo no wacokera uhoro nginya wa ritwa riaku ni riria ikona umuhimu sana
kabisa.
So hapa hivi kwa branding na packaging unaweza niingilia deep kidogo venye tunaweza jibrand vizuri mtu akue uko stable na utajiuza kwa watu because that's a plus. Na kwa communication what are the things zenye tunafaa kuangalia sana kwa communication twithimo ineka igeno tutahota ku communicate.
Maybe I would start with communication first. Hiki dugitago effective communication. Effective communication ni harari information ya uma, then you have understand the channel ile ugutumira icoke kinyire the receiver na ke receiver agagucokeria feedback. Iyo ni complete cycle. No ugikorwo maybe you as the sender of the information do number kindu kia mbere moita maigi kiria mundu ageba kuyuria ri the person I'm sending this information to atumage the medium of communication yake ni iriku. Wamba wamenya ugu ati kindu kia mbere ni mundu uyu arespond akuhurirwo thimu. Do kwandika SMS ukuhura thimu. The other thing kaudu thirie ngingi ingiira mundu mwithiri. Both service providers are network citu guku ri ni maheanaga free minutes. Ungimenya mundu uria muraria nake ni mundu sensitive ati thimu yake aigira ndungiendere ngekeri. It's easier buying for those ugure package or maybe even 100 minutes. You'll be safe na mundu ni ekuoneno na mundu ni ekuona mundu wa muhurira it's worth his or her time.
Okay.
Tondu kindu kia mbere ugicut off gutwike kai time ni karenga before uthiete kufuriza kana ukombe maybe nake mundu re network distracted na ehera thimu-ini yo kumunyitithia ringi kumucokia line ringi it might take time. So kau nako ni kaundu kaika nyonaga muno kindu kia mbere understand mundu ra muradiru nake ri mode of communication yake ri ni online kana ni phone call or whether it's a text SMS. Deal with that. Then communication in most of the cases no ekorona kindu gitagwo language barrier. Muno uri ora package information uri reda ku deliver. Tuge maybe ni mundu ukwenda kwa kana ni areda a certain item. Tondu maybe in most of the cases ni koraga ta tu kwa muhiano ri ni tuge ni uhurirwo thimu ihando busy na namba utoi na beno ni ngeni. So in most of the cases ni jira mundu ngiona okay what I believe in myself ni ngiona namba ngeni ri ni nyamba ku analyze that missed call ngamba ngarora na beno ehurirwo duration ni igana atia ni rikirie 41 seconds. This is a serious person ni okuhurite thimu no ngione kuhuritwo 5 seconds 3 seconds ifuatanite. Either this is might be your buddy or your age mate or maybe mundu muyaine. So it also depends maybe the mood either okorwo ni thimu. The other thing ni kwina mode of communication she face it off tamarwa. No dogiuga ati tha ici nyukwa no andikire mundu marwa iyo ni out of date. The other official format ni okay the format official maita maigine it's through email communication, but ni ukoraga kundu kuingi mashinani ri ndungitumira social email. It's not possible. So ni ukoraga maita maigi niguo herie blocks cia communication ri kindu kia mbere understand mundu mura maybe uri ukinyira information ri atumagira channel ili kwa communication ili ingimukinyira information effectively itali na blockages. Oko ni if it's a phone call, if it's an SMS, if it's a WhatsApp, elewa hivyo. Kama ni kwa juu sasa huwezi deliver ikikona information private ndio kimetwara niki social media. Because the other thing I also need to reiterate even to we as the young people, let's also choose what we are taking to social media and what we can reserve to ourselves. So the same space can also kill you.
True.
Kana itumike nginya ni thu ciaku ugucokia thi. The other thing I think I have done with what I have what I deal with in the issue ya communication.
Okay.
When
The packaging.
Now the packaging part.
And branding, yeah.
Packaging and branding.
Yeah.
Packaging and branding, what I value most, it's maybe maita maigi ando igi maba kuona uria akuona. First time appearance. So for the first time appearance, what I think is hari kindu kia mbere ta juge maybe mwanake maita maigiri turoragura twejete njui mwijire itu ajwire no 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 kora mundu cio ni a conclude atiriri this is what kind of a person am I dealing with. The other thing ni understand the occasion. Tondu ndungigikorwo maybe wathie in an official setup, wathie na uria ukubatie guthie evening party, it might also sound so well. Kaundu kangiri understand ukorwo ta product kana kiria wa urathie gutwara kana ku delivery. Understand now the modalities kindu kiu ri kiendaga ki. The environment you urathie gukora, like today there was a presentation, there is an event Yuma KICC, and the kind of delegates who are coming, they're international delegates, so they might not expect someone there when maybe we would resonate in a way ira suggest no thimu ciao no ciure. So mundu tocio no korwo ena ginya idea njega fiu kana ginya booth yake ri njega ri, those people might not end up no andu acio no makuhetuke na matamatete ginya matakurite ginya gwikaga ati o uria tuma ku first appearance uria makuonire no rio tuma ri kima conclude ati ona kiri urehire it might also look the same the way you look.
Okay.
I think the other thing is also understanding the occasions and the time. Tondu nitukinyite hado even suits the out of fashion, but how you can package your things, it's not necessarily you be suits can also be expensive, and it also doesn't sound that it's not, you can also be smart but not that expensive kuringana na uria ndoi ungihura tuge ungithie mutubari wone kaki ya 300 ukio mihure fathi ni aigana na nani thile ndagura ngiri ndungiona tofauti.
You may not note the difference.
You may not note the difference. You can go to the same place, you see a nice blazer, ukio thabie kana umitwarire ndubi ithie huro fathi inyoroke. Ni nani ndirathi mothuti ya 10,000 tungirugamana na andu ingi mahota kuoya we urathire mutumba uranyorokie ciaku.
Okay. Hey, interesting. Do you have a mantra? That one word or statement zenye huwa zina guide okiroko kirari ukaigua ciugo ici nicio citumaga ugie na hinya, and you recite them or you feel these are the words that keeps you moving?
Yes, I have that one thing that I always say: positive energy, positive attitude, because iyo kaundu kau nika nikipa kare well motivated. Then there is also the passion and zeal. Iyo nduria wikaga nini juga kaundu kare wikaga ri gweke no geke makiria no gacokagire no nikagathiaga gakarehe impact. No gika kaundu muthe maybe next time wone gatina rehe ukue ngoro, maybe ria karathia gucira maciaro ri na ni urakuaga ngoro.
Alright, ngire mwena waku. Haya, wena undu ungienda kuhitukiria through social media kana a video, inaweza kuwa ni a message to someone, a message to the audience, any message inaweza kuwa ni a form of advertisement, any kind of message unaweza taka kupass, a short video yenye pia naweza nitakukatia ni kutumia ikiwa slanted na ikiwa simu, utapass to WhatsApp status, to Facebook, such kind. Do you have any message?
Yes.
Yeah.
Me I can do that for the advert one. To any little tikome not make na ikoyo
na sasa hii ni open, any language unaweza taka ku
it's open.
Pass. Yeah.
So I would like to speak to the Kenyan farmers who are interested in biogas installation. I would say that the space that we are in, we have all the what it takes to have the best biogas in the market. And for more information, that you can reach me out on 0701 039 384. We normally say that you stay safe, biogas saves. Thank you.
All right, tell me something about biogas. Assume I have no clue about biogas. Niguzie tu in a small in a very small kidogo kabisa a snippet about biogas.
Okay. Biogas it's a modern technology that converts any livestock cow dung to produce renewable energy for cooking and even powering small farm machineries. And it's something that is it requires less space, and it also requires less work.
Okay. Haya. Fata wa biogas riu ni twire shushu na murimi uri urarima ina ng'ombe. Fata ya biogas toko dai na ng'ombe nyingi ndendo muhutirie fata wa biogas na kono wambie na kiria nakio. Umwada udurira hanini.
All right. Kauno tulige na gikuyu.
Kauno guthe na gikuyu.
Ndo aginya shushu. Juge mutambo wa biogas kindu kia mbere juge wina ng'ombe minimum ya 2 no wone mutambo wa biogas. Fata wa biogas kindu kia mbere ni mwaki na ni ukuheragia mahuthiro-ini mangu. Undu ucio ngiri ni ndogo, tondu hara tukinyite maita maingi ukoraga andu aingi makihaya no wa muria ri augaga ni ndogo, no ngithii mariko maingi marugagwo na nguri hari kindu gitagwo ndogo ino ikoragwo inyitite mabati, the suit itself. In most of the cases ona ngigwa mai-ini wonaga tari it's something ni kindu kigituthukira. No wina biogas kindu kia mbere environment yaku ikorwo iri theru. Undu ucio ngi ndugucamania na mbiro iyo urenda ku avoid. Undu ucio ngi ni indo ciaku nacio itikugia ndogo, na kaundu kau kangi na kuri mathaa maria urahuthagira guthie kuna nguri ukumatumira ku guthie gwika undu ungi. Undu ucio ngi mbeca iria ningi urathia kurifill mutungi wa gasi, kugura makara, transportation ya indo nguna ki ni gukorwo savite. So tugaga biogas saves.
All right, safi. Any other message unaweza taka kupitisha?
Labda sasa being on I think this month is for mental health awareness.
True. Na sijui nikitao waje. True. Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
So June being mental awareness month, I would like to speak to my fellow men. I would like to say this categorically. Whenever that you have an issue, kindly we are requesting you that speak it up. Or if you do not have that safe space, we have, I think nowadays we have enough facilities that they even have counselors or even psychiatrists or even mental awareness warriors. Kindly just sign in or even reach out to a friend. But because where we are, we are in a society that we might not, we don't know what might happen to the next boy child next to you. Thank you.
Okay. A small message how to arume. Now pass the same small message now to now not men. People who relate now with men. Because it's their month. Now people who relate with men venye wataweza kuelewa because men don't
speak out.
They don't speak out.
They don't speak out to their issues.
Yeah.
To the entire community that houses the man. I would like to say that it's also important to be hospitable to these men, and whenever that you see a man maybe who is in a sad state or not well state of the mind, it's important also to offer support to him. It's either you can speak to him, you can even advise, you can not necessarily advising, but you can even give a directive maybe where they can even seek for help, and you can also maybe direct them even to friendly facilities that are available within your locality. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Muno.